Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll convert a PC into an Android system. This is the PC we are using, and this is the bootable USB that we will use to. Okay, there are different types of Android OS available in the market. We'll provide in the link description. You can download it from there. Even you want to install a Blast OS or Feda OS or something else, just click on it and download the ISO. And how to create that ISO as bootable, we'll try to teach you in Mac and on Windows both users. So first you have to download the ISO. As you can see, I have already downloaded. So let's make or create a bootable USB from it by using Windows, and then we'll show you how to use it by Mac. For Windows, we are using Rufus. We'll select the Rufus file and select the OS that we download, and make sure that you are using a blank USB, because when you start to make or create a USB, it will erase all the data. Choose the DD image. Bootable USB started, so I will gonna wait, and on Mac I'll show you how to create a bootable USB as well. For Mac, you will download this Catalina launcher. I'll provide the link in the description as well. Install it and then open it. Okay, after installation, open the bleacher and plug your USB in. And now you have to choose the image that you download. It's not Bleacher, it's Belina. Sorry, I just mix it with the cartoon name. So open the Belina and wait. Okay, we already load the USB and the ISO image. Now we'll click start flashing. Now it start flashing. It will ask you password and type your password and click OK. After that, it will create a USB that is bootable. I fast forward a little bit video so we can go for further. Okay, there you go. Your bootable USB is ready. Now you can unplug it and plug it to the device. And further, you plug it onto the device where you want to install the OS. So let's move to that. Want to use Rufus, and you are easy with the Belina, so you can download it from the description and just create a USB in the same method. This tool is easily available for Windows and for MacBooks both, but Rufus is only available for Windows. So create a USB from it as you like, and then we'll boot from it. Okay, let's start with the installation process. First, you have to plug your USB to your system and boot from it. In my case, I'm using a Dell desktop, so my key is F12. I'm gonna plug and press F12. Keep on pressing it until you see the USB. As you can see, there is my USB. Now I'm gonna choose this USB and press enter. For this process, make sure your drive is empty. Okay, we're gonna choose installation and let it boot. You need to create a new partition for this installation. So I'm gonna choose some things from here. First, I'm gonna create a partition. Okay, first we'll go to create partition, and from that we'll create a new partition for this installation. I'm gonna choose, and first I'm gonna delete all these partitions so no bugs will be here. So I'm gonna delete all these partitions, and then I'm gonna create a new partition for this installation. You can choose your keys left right to choose and enter to select. Okay, my partitions are all removed. Now I'm going to create a new partition. It's asking me, do you want to create, and all the data will be erased. I'm going to type yes and press enter. Now I'm gonna make it writable. There you go. Now I'm gonna choose the partition and format it to FAT4. Okay, drive is now formatting. Just wait for it. And there you go. Installation process is also start after the formatting of drive. Now be patient and wait for to it complete. It will take a little bit time depending on the speed of your USB and your system because it's copying Android files to your hard drive. Okay, grab. You make sure that you type yes on grab so it could reboot on the same menu. Now we're gonna after grab choose the partition where you install the OS. So I'm gonna click yes again for confirmation so it can grab those things. Now wait, it will be reboot to your install OS. And make sure when it reboots, just unplug your USB so it won't reboot into the boot menu again. Now installation is complete. You can either run or either reboot, whatever you like. We try different Android OS. I'll show you in the end that Plus OS and other OS are different. Okay, we have to choose from UEFI in BIOS so we can boot it. Because we install it in the different process like legacy and UEFI. So choose wisely which version you install. So I'm gonna go to my BIOS and change the boot order to the format and make sure that my drive is on the top as well. And then reboot, save and reboot. Okay, finally we boot on the first menu. Now you have to wait a little bit so it will classify its files, like arrange them in order. It will take a little bit time, don't worry. Okay, our OS is Phonix OS is installed now. As you can see, I'm on the menu. Now the wizard, I had to skip it or make it go. Type your password, username, etc., all those things, and make it skip. I'll be back once it's done. Finally, we are on the screen now. As you can see, my OS is fully loaded here, and it will show me some menus. The most beautiful thing about it, it has a Play Store as well, and as it has also some built-in games. But you need to increase the size of your storage. You can Google it and then try it as well. Otherwise, I'll show you. Okay, here is the second OS that we installed. It's I think so Flower OS or Plus OS. I forget or mix the names, but this one is also a good one. But my favorite is Phonix OS because it has more options than any other OS as well. But I'm gonna show you that we try different OS as well. There you go, logo screen. It will take a little bit time to be ready. There is a PC that on which we install. Okay, After a long time wait, we are now on the screen and it's like jamming. That's why I don't like these buggy kind of OS. Let me try. Okay, there you go. We change the launcher. Maybe it will be a little bit more better. Okay, this OS is fully loaded, as you can see, and you can use it for different purposes as well. It has a few bugs in. I think so. It's not compatible with my system, but if it's compatible with your system, you can try that as well. So that's all for today. We will provide different links of different OS you can choose or shuffle from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon. We work a lot for this video, so click like, and if you want to help others, share it. If you have any question, queries in question, in comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon. God bless us all.